Alright, so thanks for joining me for another one. Zane, what love I've been getting so far, thanks. You know, keep sharing. You know, it really does help. And the likes too. Like the videos, goddammit, like them. Zane, it really make YouTube push it to other people and then they can see my content. So that really helps. My review on Skeng. It dropped from 1 month ago, but I rate it, and because I feel so down, I build back up my energy, you see me? Peeps, like, share, subscribe, get the word out, and music is my drug. I love getting high, and that is all I need. You see me? So, back a review, Skeng, Gvnman Shift, right now. So initially, I said I never go review that song here. Not because the song is a bad piece, but really and truly, because the song has been out a while. About a month. But the song just crazy. I start listening to it with day and I can't stop listening to it. So me pre right now. Me pre it. I'm just vexed. I'm angry, you see me?
Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charge up, he got to kill a man. Ratty gang for me gang, pussy run up if you're bad.
Alright, yo, alright. When we start with this intellectual murder people edition, the man I say, right now, when I see how intellectual I am, Zane, I have to go murder the beat, I have to talk about killing, and you sit down and you have to go, you gotta actually like it. You gotta like and listen to it. You gotta say, Bumba, are you the smart, you know? And are you the can write? And are you the bad, but he's a damn sicko. Yo, and Jano, no, me afraid of you, me not lie, me afraid of you, just the vibe. This is crazy, yo.
Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charge up, he got to kill a man. Ratty gang for me gang, pussy run up if you're bad. Kryptonite coming out of the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place get noisy. You never know.
Yo, when you look for the man, you literally can't see say that man is not normal. I'm a 50% artist and 50% killer. See, that's all I can say. For the man can come and talk about ratty gang and Fimi gang. Dog, what you dep on? Channel Star, I want to bust review this there, God. Yo! The voice. The man voice. This is just crazy. This is just crazy.
You see a little juvenile coulda run in a yard and take a cheap and say Babylon, Panellian in the street and the main and the buck him like Jesus Christ. No make him run, no make him out, no make him slip living an inch more. Yeah, dash when nobody can find it.
Yo, I say you're going right now in a Babylon, Panellian, in a street on the main. The man just always hide off in a one corner cause him know I want to come for him. You see me? When I was like, alright. Nobody not see for me face in my G. Go a shop for me. But I say, alright, cool, go on. I must catch you. But I say, oh, me catch him, Zane. No make him run, no give him no chance for escape. Zane, none at all. Because when you dash him where nobody can find him. Now the man I go in at the chorus. And me think that chorus I want the baddest chorus me hear in a Gvnman song for a while. For a while, peeps.
You must be sick. And a 17, I jump in at this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Govy them sick. This me. I me no kill two of them up in at this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick.
Alright. So we are top right there, so. This me, they must be sick. I have 17 large up in at this. This one's like, oh, if you sit down here, so Zane, I make this like a punk here. Come talk up to me, I have 17 binds, but I'm just sit down and I wait. Like, how do you make that happen? Like your man. And the next part of the course I'm ready is like, man, this me. You was sick. I'm gonna kill 2 man up in this like shit. The man's like, yo, what you mean you can't come on this me and 2 man are dead up as a right now? A joke here, make 2 man half dead. And it's not a matter of what the man is saying, peeps, because we know this. We talk about this time and time again. It's not a matter of what the man say. It's a matter of how the man say it. The man has say it with conviction. The man has say it with that screw face. The man has say it with yeah. Just listening to the song make you get paro. I make you just feel like one bad man, like Jono Star. It just gives you this energy. And if you don't know what energy to take from a song, I wouldn't advise that you listen to this song. If you just listen to it and get hyped up, then fine. But honestly speaking, if you're somebody with easy to get swayed, you're going to take one last and find your neighbor and chop him up. This song is not for everybody. That's what I mean, I got second verse, you know. Yo.
What them on, tell them get the tank up. Every guns up, every killer mass up. Chop up on them ends, board does the clot up. Does the man not fit dead the way you feel me left some.
Yo! You man say. Oh my god. Man say, alright, fine. We don't want war, fine. Me I come find me I go war on, me I come for you. Go up on the ends, see 12 man park up there, easy themselves. I was like, the 12 of them half dead. I was like, what you think me left some? No, brother, no, my killer them no work, so 12 man dead, eh? The 12 man are dead. And this is why you have to be careful of which part your par peeps. Zin, wrong place, wrong time, especially people like them people you par. So this is not just a song, you know, peeps. People dance, you know. People will come and see the little youth left from church with the Bible. And he just stop right there, so just for that time, and he pull him up a bind, see me just because him did it. It's sad, but it's just sad truth. This man I give you a look into how killers pray, you know. We might not want to think about it, we don't want to accept it, but that's just it. Jano, we not even know why the man put out that song here. Jano, me don't know.
So you must see mad me killer them no work so bang of them a jack food through Wells Fargo. And now I be a gun for anything start up. Fully dark, fully charge and fully crab up. This me,
You must
see sick. And I 17 I jump in at this 45 feet, me clock it now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them nasty. Govy them sick. This me, I me no kill 2 of them up in at this 45 feet, me clock it now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them nasty. Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. No. Fully charge up. He got to kill a man. Ratty gang for me gang. Pussy run up if you bad. We make a man up. Body a page up. And a heart attack. In a head back. Like sponge up. To the
oh my lord. Peeps, anything you don't want to kill, Zine, anything you want to slay, just listen to that song. You know, people might have them own little vibe but they want to listen to Zine, and they might go listen to some, I don't know when you used to get yourself charged up, but anyhow you listen to this, if you have something to slay, let's say you go to a gym and you want to pump some weights. Zine, you have one chief you got trapped down with one axe. Zine, you have one piece of front for you mash up and you under your 2 guineas and you strong back and if you just deal with it wicked. Zine, anything at all you could have want to interview, listen to this song. Me guarantee, so you're going to charge up to the point where you feel like you can tackle the entire planet. Nothing can stop you. The bad thing about that is that if it is a kill, you say you're going to kill somebody and you're going to kill people. I could have 50 police already. I could try finding him. That's a bad thing about this song. But this song is crazy. The energy in this song, what we can compare it to, I don't know. You see me? I don't know at this point in time. And that's why it's trending. That's why it's going so hard for you. We're just there in the mainstream now and people start praying. That's why this song goes hard. No, we'll continue.
spot, mother belly company when me left me stamp. How you know about Gvnman Shift? Gonna feel it from them started. Babylon, Spain town in the frightened for clown for me. This you know hear my miss. How you know about Gvnman Shift? Gonna feel it from them started. Babylon, Spain town in the frightened for clown for me. This you know hear my miss. You must be sick. And I 17, I jump in at this 45 feet, me clock it now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them not stick. Covey, them sick. This me, I me no kill two of them up in at this 45 feet, me clock it now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them not stick. Dark, Spanish town, Babylon, Kent town, Uptown, Grand Spin, no, Ratty gang. Boy! No war.
What everything? Yeah, baby? Yo. When you realize what going on in the video, you realize, you know, I won't even comment on it. You ain't gonna watch the video for yourself. I'm just saying, yo, peeps, I'm happy I reviewed the video because I love the song. It gives me energy, but Jesus Christ, man. Yo. I think Skeng come and just drop a big song, and even if it is that he did not put out any other songs after that, which he is doing, peeps. He can drop on with Intense, and you know, it had gone good so far, and you know, Street Cred did it before, but anyhow, he never dropped nothing else. This would still a play. He would still be remembered for this one. The man literally just forward and just give up, like, yeah, Channel Star, yo, like, share, subscribe, peeps. Let's get the word out. Thanks for all the love so far, and outside.